Right, guys, I've got a little pack open from the new from the new objective. I've done it, and I've got a couple of player picks and packs and whatnot. So let's just see. I'm just gonna reveal all these because I don't really have to. Oh, a special. To be fair, a special's a special. It's not a great one, but his card doesn't look bad. To be fair, because there's only two extra and DeMarco and a walkout. No, not a dash really. I've already packed him this year. One of 384 now. 84 and 84 and one of 484 plus middle Patry, DeMarco and Carvajal. Patry, not bad. I think an 863 and an 8310, which is a dub. I'm just gonna have the open preview packs. Make sure you open your preview packs, just in case. I mean, I got nothing, but anything. No, I mean an 84 from a 75 times 2, that's fine. I think this is an 83 plus guaranteed. It's not a walkout, I think. No. I meant a promo, but I said walkout. It was right. Wells badge. Nothing too good there. 84 plus. No walkout. I reckon that, I don't even know 84. Yeah. 80 times 11. Better get walkouts from my rival worlds, never mind an 8 times 11. One other chance. 83 times 10. No special. A walkout though. Striker, American, Alex Morgan. That is an 89. Good fodder for the Icon pack. Oh no, Smith, sorry. Ryan Oberdorf, yeah, it's good fodder. If I do the Icon pack, I'll make sure it's a vignette. And an 86 times 3, no walkout, but it's a walk. No, can't speak today. You know what I mean. It's Peugeot, it's Swanson, it's Labelle. Overall, not bad, good fodder, and probably get to do the Icon pack soon.